Have you ever wondered that eating your favorite food items can cause threat to your liver? No? So let's check it out.
Hello friends, I'm Yashasvi from Med Supervision and today we will talk about 13 foods that you should avoid if you want a healthy liver. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first let's talk about what is the role of liver in your body. The main function of liver in your body is to filter out all the toxins that are present in your blood. Yes, what all toxins that are present in your body, it is the duty of your liver to filter them out. Also, it provides your body with energy and nutrients whenever it requires it. So what happens is that whenever we add certain food items intentionally or unintentionally in our daily diet, these food items can pose threat to our liver and can damage it. So let us begin with the video and see what are those foods that can pose a threat to your liver and can damage it. Fried food. The first thing that you need to get rid of from your plate is fried food. Yes, if you want a healthy liver, then you should avoid fried food at least from your daily diet. What happens is that when you eat fried food every day, it causes the condition of fatty liver, in which there is a lot of fat deposit in your liver that can cause swelling and scarring of tissues, and your liver loses its ability to filter out toxins. So if you want a healthy liver, avoid fried foods. Alcohol. The second thing on our list that you need to get rid of if you want a healthy liver is alcohol. If you consume alcohol daily, then it can get you addicted. Also, it increases fat deposit in your liver, causing alcoholic fatty liver condition. What happens is that your liver loses its capacity to filter out toxins from your blood. So if you want a healthy liver, avoid it. Packaged food. The third thing that you need to avoid is to stop eating packaged food whenever you are hungry. I know it is a very easy option because it is readily available, but you need to change it if you want a healthy liver. You can instead try another snacking options, like if you can add dry fruits, you can also add sprouts that are healthy and are also fulfilling. Raisins. Yes, you heard it correct. I know it sounds a little weird because raisins are considered a healthy food, but it can only do good for you if you consume it in a proper and required quantity. Yes, if you consume it more, it can inflame the inner lining of your liver because it is high in sugar and calories. So if you want to eat raisins, eat in a proper and specified amount. Do not eat too much or else your liver can get damaged in a long run. Trans fat. Yes, if you want a healthy liver, then you need to avoid food items that contains trans fat. Whenever you go out for shopping and you buy certain food item, do check its ingredients that does it contain trans fat or not, because trans fat increases bad cholesterol in your body and which leads to fat deposit in your liver and your liver gets damaged. Eating too much salty food. Yes, if you're eating too much salty food, then there are high chances that your liver can get damaged. What happens is that whenever you eat too much salty food, the blood pressure in your body shoots up and it damages various organs, and one of the organs that it can cause harm is your liver. So if you want a healthy liver, then try to avoid salty foods, excessive salty foods. Also, you can add vitamin C in your diet to lessen the impact of salty food on your liver. Vitamin C food items include kiwi, strawberries, bell peppers, as well as lemon. Simple carbohydrates. If you love eating food that contains simple carbohydrate, then your liver is at risk. Yes, simple carb food like cookies, pastries, biscuits can cause damage to your liver. What happens is that your blood sugar level shoots up and it can create the condition of fatty liver. So if you want a healthy liver, then try to lessen the amount of carbs in your diet, simple carbs in your diet, to maintain a healthy liver. Fructose. If you want a healthy liver, then you need to lessen the amount of fructose food from your diet. Yes, earlier like we talked about raisins. Raisin is a very healthy food, but if you eat it in excess amount, then it can cause inflammation in your liver and can lead to the condition of fatty liver. So if you want a healthy liver, try to lessen food with fructose like fruit juice, raisins that are juicy, tasty and are high in sugar content. Fast food. If you love eating pizzas and burgers, then your liver is at risk. If you eat fast foods in excess amount, then in longer run, your liver can get damaged because it increases the fat deposit in your liver. So if you want a healthy liver along with a healthy body, then try to avoid fatty foods and fast foods. Foods with high sugar. Yes, I know we all love foods that contain excessive sugar. It is tasty, but it is not healthy and it can damage your liver and can also pose a threat of having diabetes. So if you want a healthy life, healthy liver, then try to avoid food that contains excess amount of sugar. Canned food. If you prefer eating canned food over fresh food, then your liver is at risk. What happens is that in order to increase the shelf life of canned foods, a lot of preservatives and high amounts of salts are added in it, and that can pose a threat to your liver in the longer run. You should always prefer freshly prepared food from your kitchen over canned food. There are certain circumstances where you have to eat canned food, but you should avoid it on a daily basis if you want a healthy liver and a healthy body. Soda drinks. If you also enjoy drinking soda drinks, then it can pose a threat to your liver. Drinking excess amount of soda drinks can damage your liver because it contains high amounts of sugars and sweeteners that can lead to excess amount of fat deposit in your liver, causing fatty liver. So if you want a healthy liver, avoid sodas. Red meat. If you also enjoy eating red meat on a daily basis, then it can be a danger sign for your liver because red meat contains a lot and a high amount of saturated fats. So if you love eating it, try to reduce its amount in your daily diet if you want a healthy liver. So guys, these were the food items that you need to avoid if you want a healthy liver. If you cannot totally avoid them, then you can lessen their amount in your daily diet if you want a healthy body and a healthy liver. So that's it for today guys. If you like the information shared in this video, then do share this video amongst your friends and families. If you have any doubt, any query regarding this topic, you can always go down in the comment section and tell us. Our team will surely reply you back. Also, if you want to see similar videos on similar topic, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. I'm Yashasvi and it's a goodbye from my side.